Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has identified UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.57. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 35.04%. This equates to an average loss of 1.3% each day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $249.23 is breached, it would indicate a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 30.45% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 41.24% and positive 15.95%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 16.62%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 23.39% to positive 65.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $226.01 and $488.09. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock price ended at $295 on Tuesday after losing 0.193%. The UnitedHealth Group stock price fell by negative 0.193% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, dropping from $295.57 to $295. It has now experienced a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 3.74% with a low of $289.13 and a high of $299.95. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of negative 22.11% during this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which may signal an early warning and slightly increase risk over the next few days. In total, 18 million shares were exchanged for approximately $5.41 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price stands 53.23%, or $335.73, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group, identified by the ticker symbol UNH, is currently navigating a challenging landscape that has significantly affected its stock price, which has dropped over 60% from its recent high. This decline has been exacerbated by disappointing earnings, the recent departure of the CEO, and troubling headlines regarding a potential criminal investigation into Medicare fraud. The situation has become critical, with shares plummeting as much as 19% following reports of this investigation. The uncertainty has prompted a series of class action lawsuits from investors seeking compensation for their losses. Interestingly, amidst this chaos, notable insider buying, including a considerable investment of $25 million by former CEO Stephen Hemsley, indicates a belief in the company's potential for recovery. Presently, the stock is trading at a historically low valuation, complemented by an almost 3% dividend yield and forecasts suggesting a possible rebound in earnings per share to between $25 and $27 by the year 2026. In the short term, the ongoing investigations and lawsuits will likely exert pressure on the stock as negative sentiments persist. However, if operational changes lead to a turnaround, there may be opportunities for long-term recovery, especially if the internal confidence among executives translates into strategic improvements. Investors will be closely observing these developments to assess UnitedHealth's trajectory and its implications for stabilizing and growing the stock price. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a reduced rating along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research gave UNH an outperform rating alongside a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company rated UNH as hold with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James rated UNH as market perform along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 7.53%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have been issued as well, which may influence the short-term development. The UnitedHealth Group stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the levels at $302.80 and $416.38. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Yesterday, volume increased on falling prices, which may be an early warning, suggesting the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 31 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $291.91. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is characterized by significant daily movements and is deemed to carry a very high risk due to the large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.82 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 3.74%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.63%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are low expectations for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.47. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $302.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $291.91. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. ART. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider sale of 2,525 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, John F. Rex conducted an insider purchase of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted another insider purchase of 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider purchase of 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grant the right to buy. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 1,533 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 87.13. Overall, insiders purchased 1,043,538 shares and sold 72,964 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by approximately 30 cents, starting the trading session at $294.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you concur or have a differing opinion? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target price for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a pleasant day from all of us at StockInvest.